Hey there. Today's practice is a gentle body scan using the image of warm, healing light moving through the body. So let's begin finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Take a few slow breaths to settle in. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. And for the next few rounds, go at your own pace. Take this moment to relax your body, your whole body, and see if you can just let everything go for just a few moments here. Now imagine a soft white light forming at the bottoms of your feet. Just a pure, calm glow, like the light of a full moon, bright and steady, but also warm and comforting, like sun-kissed sand beneath your feet. With your next breath in, imagine that light gently being drawn into your feet. Almost like a magnet, the light gathers and begins to glow within you. Let it swirl softly around each of your toes, around your arches and your heels. With each breath, the light seems to move slowly upward, flowing through your ankles, your calves, and shins. This light moves easily and naturally, warming and smoothing as it goes. Imagine it softening any tightness in the muscles, any fatigue or tension gently dissolving into this bright, calm light. And allow yourself to watch this glow continue to rise upward, moving through your knees, your thighs, and your hips. And don't forget your breath here, breathing in warmth and restoration, breathing out anything the body no longer needs to hold. Now the light spreads into your belly and lower back, soft and steady. Imagine it working its way through your core, bringing ease and comfort. Continue allowing the light to rise through your chest, your shoulders, down through your arms and into your hands. Let the glow move up through your neck, your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes and forehead. Finally, the light reaches the top of your head, and your whole body now softly illuminated from within. Take a few breaths here, resting in this warm, healing glow. Your body supported, your mind calm. And stay here for as long as you need, letting the light work its way through, leaving behind a feeling of ease and restoration. Take a loving cycle of breath to seal in this practice. And when you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your body and the room you're in. Feel free to return to this practice whenever you need a little calm, healing energy boost. And until next time, have a good one.